This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see, got both phones in my hands, fresh, unopened, still got the tape on the backside, so this should be a pretty cool video. Now, to my beautiful 400,000 plus K subscribers, and if you're new, welcome. You may have noticed that, I haven't really uploaded in a while. That's because I changed real estate, I moved, I live in a different place now, have a different job, etc. So quite a crazy, 3, 4, 5 months, but now I'm settled in, and with all that out of the way now, the videos should come in a more regular fashion. So anyway, just real quick, just wanted to point that out if you're wondering like, where the heck have I been in the past few months? Well, there you go. Anyway, I'm alive and well, I'm not dead or anything, so anyway, here we go. So which one should I unbox first, the Plus or the Ultra? We'll go with the Plus first, just because I'm really curious to see this pink gold colorway, so you can tell by the S. For my female viewers, all 8, 9, 10% of you, according to my analytics. We'll check this one out. Oh, there is the device. We'll pull up this tab right here. Okay. Nice. Right away. It feels really good to hold. And yeah, with the flat display, I gotta say, I think I much prefer the flat display as much as the curve looks cool. This just feels really good to hold in the hand. And on the back, it's gonna look like this. Now I think my camera is a little bit too much light going on here. May have to, make some adjustments. Might be kind of bright, but let me know in the comments what you think about this pink gold colorway. In person, this looks pretty nice. Yeah, this looks pretty cool if you're, into this color. Kind of looks like a peach color a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. We'll take that off. All right. Pretty sick. We'll take this off also. Nice. And there you go. Got your camera set up in the back. Bottom, you got your USB Type-C right there, speaker. Your SIM tray right there. This side is clean. On top, you got a mic. Here, you got your power button. You have your volume rocker right there. And here, I think this is for antennas and stuff. Yeah, pretty cool. Feels really solid in the hand. Wow, feels really solid actually. Nicely built. Quality construction here from Samsung. I expect no less. Now, there's some more tape here I'm seeing. Nah, I don't feel like taking that out. We'll go ahead and boot this up. Now this one, along with the Ultra, is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. This one has 8 gigs of RAM. This one is a 256 gig model. All right, we'll put that to the side for now and put the, let me situate this plastic real quick. Gotta take care of the plastics. All right, put that to the side, let that boot up. But really, I think what most people came to want to see is the Ultra, right? The S22 Ultra. We'll open this up and we'll have a look. Yeah, it kind of sucks there's no chargers now, but I guess for environmental purposes, I guess that's cool. Who doesn't have a charger laying around anyway from like an old phone or whatever? But anyway, this is the Ultra, S22 Ultra. Nice, look at that. And then we'll put it over in the back and it's gonna look like this. And it's funny with the plastic still on there, this kind of resembles the old camera cutout, right? From the S22 or the S21 from last year, if you know what I'm saying. Anyway, there you go. We'll take this plastic off. We don't need that. And then we'll take this off too. Nice. We'll turn this on. Come on. Better have some juice. There we go. Have some juice. Put this plastic away. Let that boot up. And I'll be right back. All right, my bad, man. I think my cat was like trying to open the door or something. So anyway, here we go. Oh, almost forgot. What we got in the box, man? Got the SIM ejection tool, right? And then in here is your paperwork, which I won't even care. And then S22 Ultra. Pause the video if you want to check that out. Cool. Here we go. Welcome. Start. Let's see here. agree to all, I guess. Well, let me see. Can I click agree? No. There we go. Agree. Now this might be a little hot for the camera. I'll make an adjustment in a little bit. Let's see, permissions for apps and Samsung services. I guess I'm going to agree to that. I don't know. Let's see, add network. That's me. I'm going to type in my password. Connecting, checking for updates. Getting your phone ready. Let's go ahead and I'm going to mess with the 22 Plus 2. We'll do the same thing real fast. Don't copy on the 22 Ultra. We don't need that right now. I want to start fresh with this phone. Checking info. And then S22 Plus is getting ready. Here we go. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to skip the sign in for now. I just want to get into the phone real fast. And what is this? Allow scanning. Let's see. Accept. And then the fingerprints. All right, put the phone down, the S22 Plus, and we'll do the fingerprint. Now, I'll be honest with you. On my, where's my Note? Here, on my Note 20 Ultra, this on-display fingerprint scanner. It's a no-go for me. I don't know, maybe it's just my thumb, but my skin's all calloused or whatever. But let's see, we'll go ahead and do a pattern. We'll just do one of these. All right, let's do the fingerprint right now. Hope this works. Let's go, come on. 20, 30, 39%, 47%. Let's see, okay. 54%, 61%, 66%, 71%, 76%, 83, 91, 100%. There we go, next. Getting your phone ready. Nice and fast on S22 Plus as well. Nice, okay, maybe they made some improvements to the fingerprint scanner. We'll see with day-to-day use, but that looked pretty good so far. All right, just getting your phone ready. All right, this may take a few minutes, taking quite a while actually. So let me let the phone do its thing. I'll be right back. All right, here we go, Samsung account. Skip, skip. You're all set up, finish. Just want to get into the phone real fast. Ooh, look at that. 6.8-inch display. Very nice. And we are in. Out of the box, I want to check out something real fast. Go to display. Go to display, right? Now I want to see light or dark mode. We'll go with light. Here we go with the adaptive, 120 Hertz, and it is very smooth. However, now with the S22 Ultra, you can go all the way up to WQHD Plus, hit apply, and then you can have the WQHD Plus and 120 Hertz at the same time. And I have to say, this looks super nice. Wow. We'll go dark mode, see how that looks. Yeah, that's nice. We'll go back to light. We'll stick with the light for now. And then let's see, me jack down the brightness a little bit. There we go, I think that looks a little bit better. You can see the phone a little bit better. There we go. And that is nice. All right, let's go ahead and, let's see, I think that was the 22 Plus. All right, let's go ahead and, what was I gonna do? Let's go to the battery and device care. And then the storage. This is the 512 gig model. And out of the box, we got 455.8 gigs available. Very nice. Love it. 6.8-inch display, 6.8-inch display. Got your front-facing camera right there with the cutout there on the screen. All right, on this side, it's super clean. On the bottom, you got your S Pen, of course, which we'll test out real fast. Ooh, okay, that was a little bit difficult to take out, but wow, take a listen. That's nice. Discard, let's see, we'll do the same thing again. See, I think they should have called this phone the S22 Ultra Note. I think that would have been cool. So anyway, that's the pen. Pretty cool. Speaker, USB Type-C port. your SIM tray. On this side, you have your, this is kind of like antenna, I guess, power button, volume rocker, and then on top you just got a mic. Now again, like the other phone, I think this one has like plastics on the sides and stuff, which I'll take off later. But in the back though, you got your triple camera setup. You have your 108 megapixel, you got dual 10 megapixel zoom lens. One is 10x, one is 3x. 100x zoom on this, also digital zoom, Samsung branding right there. And I have to say, this burgundy color, let's compare it to last year's, or from 2020, the, I forget what the colorway is, what color Samsung called this, but anyway, compare that. Let me know in the comments which you prefer, the individual camera cutouts, or this kind of cutout, or this kind of camera bump, right? Let's go ahead and test the table usage. Let's see, does this rock? Definitely. Compared to this one, see, it doesn't rock as much on the table. So if you don't use a case on your phone, that's what you should expect. But I have to say, this burgundy color though is pretty nice. I didn't think I'd like it, but looking at it right now in person, it's nice. Kind of, I don't know, it reminds me of like red wine or something like that. I don't know. It's pretty cool. All right, man, let's just go ahead and test the fingerprint right from the screen off. And that should work super fast. We'll do that again. Okay, looks like they made some improvements on the fingerprint scanner. To be honest, I had trouble with that on the Note 20 Ultra, but we'll see with the day-to-day use with this device. Let's go ahead and fire up the camera. All right, let's take some pictures here. Take a picture of these three phones. Let's see, take a picture of that. Let's see, the 3X. We'll zoom in here. This is 3X, 3X, and then all the way up to 10X. Let's see here. Zoom right into the camera lens of the S21 Ultra and do the Note. I'll put that in the video, and then let's go ahead and do a quick video right now. So I'll do it this way. And let's see, I'm gonna change this to be UHD 30. Here we go, high resolution, ultra high, 1X, let's go. All right, man, this is the video from the Note, or excuse me, the S22 Ultra. All right, so you can see, quick sample video here. Let me know the quality. I'm just inside, you know, just taking a video of the phones on my table. And let me know in the comments what you think. The audio and the video quality and everything. So I'm gonna go up, have a look. Let me know in the comments. All right, let me know what you think about that in the comments below. Here it is against the Note 20 Ultra. And then this phone's predecessor now, I guess, which is the S21 Ultra. So have a look at that kind of size comparison. I'd have to say though, the S21 Ultra in the matte black with this camera array, that phone looked pretty sick. In the matte black specifically. But the silver is all right. But now that I think about it, I should have bought the matte black one last year, but it's all good. We'll flip the phone over, compare the screens. This one is inspired by the Note, so more of a squared off design on the 22, whereas this one is more of your traditional, you know, S design, right? With the more curved edges, or the more rounded off display, rather. And of course, you gotta compare the S22 Ultra to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see. So let me know if you want to see these two head-to-head camera tests, speed tests, you know, some sort of durability test, maybe like some sort of water or liquid test or something like that. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see. I mean, yeah, there you go. And then flip it over. Now let me know which camera array you prefer, right? The individual cutouts here, or this one, I guess, is a hybrid of the two. You got your individual cutouts, but also a camera bump at the same time on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There you go. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the S22 Ultra. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests, etc. versus the aforementioned iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the S21 Ultra from last year versus the Note 20 Ultra, right? Versus its sibling, the S22 Plus, and of course, the Z Fold from last year, the Z Fold 3, as you can see. Now real quick, let me go ahead and compare this with the screen open. Wow, look at that display. And compared to the S22 Ultra, whoops. Have a look at the display comparison. So let me know if you want me to compare these two phones as well. On a side note, I think what they're gonna do on the next Fold phone from Samsung is the next one will have an S Pen. That's just my, I don't know, kind of opinion on that, but we'll see how it turns out later in 2022. All right, so that's it. Let me know what you want me to do with this phone in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.